Hello students, so today we'll continue our discussion of lesson 9 HTML5. Now today we'll see that how we do the alignment of the data in the cells of the table, that is the horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. So the text align and vertical align properties are used to set the horizontal and vertical alignment of the text respectively in a table. And these properties are used with the th or td tag. So by default the horizontal alignment for the contents of the th is center aligned and for the td is the left aligned. So this is the default horizontal alignment. So if you are using inside the th, so that is the center line, and for the table data it is the left line. Whereas the default vertical alignment is set to middle. Now see the syntax how text align colon value. This is the CSS style sheet, and where value you can pass for the text align is the left, center, and right. So vertical alignment you can pass the three value top, middle, and bottom. Now next property is the hover property. So this property is enabled if this property if enable the highlights that a table cell, row or column with a specified color when you hover your mouse over it. It is used with the tr, th or td tag. So what you have to write in the tr colon hover background color cyan. Now the table layout. This property is used to set the layout for a table. It is used with the table tag, table layout value, where value equals to auto, fixed and initial. Means if you want to set the layout for the table, so what value can be auto, fixed and initial. So auto will this will set the column width equal to the maximum width of the contents in the column, and fixed width the column width depends on the table's width and the width of the columns, not on the contents of the cell. So auto means whatever the content you write according to that width of the columns will be set. Initial, the default value is used for the column width. Whatever the default value is there, that it will use it. As you can see the code. HTML head, HTML tag open, now head tag open. Now inside the title for the web page is set creating a table. Now inside the style, see this is the style tag open, type equals to text of CSS. What are the rules is written? CSS rules for the body element. The rule is that the background color of the web page should be the this color. The color code is given RGB. Now for the table TD and TH, what the properties are set? Border should be 1 pixel and the colors border color should be solid blue. So style is solid and color is blue. Now again for the table the property is set width should be the 50%. Now for the table heading text alignment is center, by default it is also the center. Now for the table data vertical alignment is middle. Now for the table row hover background color cyan, and for the table again the table layout fixed background color peach puff for the table, and for the heading 2 label color is set red, style close, head close. Now see the body, the table with help of the table tag we add the table on the web page. Now this is the heading for in heading label 2 table layout fixed. Now with the help of this tr tag we will create a row in the table. Now with the help of the ts tag we will get the table heading with set 40%. The first heading is the employee id empid, and now first column heading close, second column heading th with 30% be given, and the second heading is the name. Now third heading is the basic, and fourth heading is the HRA, as you can see here. Now next to the second row the data is added. For the first column under first heading employee ID, this is 101. Now second data employee name Ajay. Now third data is added employee basic, here it is given, and fourth data is HRA given 3000. Now third row is created similarly, and fourth row is also created. Now table close. Now here the table style layout auto it is set, and second heading means another table is added. So now we see in the next page its code is given. Now on the same web page two tables are added. So as you can see here, two tables are there. Yes. So next TR, TH with is equals to 40% employee ID, table heading. Now here you can see the table heading with set 30% name. That's the heading for the second table. Third heading basic. Fourth heading HRA. Now another data is given 101 employee ID, name given Ajay, as you can see here also. Okay. So the table close, body close, HTML close. Now you can see the output. Here the table layout is fixed, here the table layout is auto. Means here you can see the ID first column width is more, but here in the second table you can see the first column width is less. That depends on the value. That's why it is auto. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we'll continue our discussion. So thank you for your kind attention.